Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, July 11, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, July 11, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 11, 2026, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, July 11, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and, and Grand Lotto 655 for July 11, 2026, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, July 11, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.